Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Bioscience Pathshala. In this video we are going to discuss about the enzymes. Enzymes are biocatalysts. Catalyst is defined as the substance that increases velocity or the rate of chemical reaction without itself undergoing any change. So the enzymes can be defined as biocatalysts synthesized by living cells, or the chemicals which increase the rate of chemical reaction takes place within the living cells are known as enzymes. Enzymes are protein in nature. Generally, enzymes are protein in nature except ribosome, because ribosome is made up of RNA, not a protein. Enzymes are thermolabile and colloidal in nature. Means enzymes can be deactivated or can be affected by increasing the temperature, and the colloidal means it can be regularly suspended in liquid. That means enzyme can be regularly suspending in the substrate without affecting it. The reactants on which enzyme acts are known as substrate, or the substance on which enzyme activity takes place is known as substrate. For reaction, enzyme combine with substrate to form enzyme substrate complex, that is ES complex. After the action of enzyme, it forms enzyme product complex, and after the reaction, the enzyme product complex breaks down into the enzyme and product. So let us we can see in this diagram that we consider E as an enzyme and S as a substrate. Then first it will form enzyme substrate complex, that is ES complex. Later on action, due to the action of enzyme, it forms enzyme and product complex, and after the completion of reaction, it converted into the enzyme and the products, they got separated. If you see history of enzyme, in 1833 French chemist Anselme Fine first discovered enzyme. He named it as a diastase. Later on, while performing fermentation of sugar into alcohol, Louis Pasteur observed that the fermentation of yeast is caused by a vital force within. Concluded that the fermentation is caused by vital forces present within the cell. He termed it as a ferments. In 1877, German physiologist William Kuhn first time coined the term enzyme. Enzyme term is derived from two Greek words, that is in means inside or within and zyme means yeast. In 1833, Edward Buchner isolated enzyme system from cell-free extract of yeast. He termed it as a zymase. Edward Buchner performed experiment in which he isolated the enzymes. He firstly isolated the extract of the yeast, which causes fermentation of sugar into alcohol. Then he isolated the enzyme system from this extract. He termed it as a zymase, but later on it was found that these are mixture of enzymes. In 1926, James Sumner first time achieved isolation and crystallization of enzyme urease from the jack bean. James Sumner first time isolated the enzyme urease. He proved the protein nature of urease and he crystallizes it. He obtained this enzyme from the jack bean fruit. Let us discuss about the properties of enzymes. As we discussed earlier, enzymes are proteinous in nature except ribosome. Ribosome is an enzyme made up of RNA. It is also known as catalytic RNA. Ribosomes are found in the ribosomes, which perform the role of joining amino acid to form protein chains. Enzymes are generally reversible. They accelerate rate of reaction without altering chemical equilibrium. They remain unchanged after the reaction. That's why they are reversible. Enzymes remain unaltered. When enzyme molecules act on particular substrate, they convert into product. But immediately after the completion of product, they act on the next or new substrate. They are specific in action. Particular enzymes only act on particular particular substrate, not on the. Enzymes are very specific in action. Particulate enzyme only act on that specific particulate substrate, not on the another substrate. They required in very small quantity. Because of unalteration property of an enzyme, it required very small amount to convert substrate into products. The concentration of enzyme expressed in terms of enzyme activity, also named as turnover number. Let us discuss about the turnover number. The number of molecules of substrates convert into products per minute by one molecule of enzyme is known as turnover number, or simply we can say the number of molecules of substrates convert into product by an enzyme in 1 minute. For example, one carbonic anhydrase molecule converts 6 lakh molecules of carbon dioxide in 1 minute. Remember, carbonic anhydrase are the fastest enzyme occurred. The large molecules, enzymes are the large molecules, ranges within 10,000 to millions. The smallest enzyme is the 4-oxaloprotonate tautomerase and the largest is the catalase. The enzymes can be affected by pH and temperature. We